Hello, Adorians. This is Ramel, welcoming you to another episode of The Inside Story. Today, I have with me Mr. Somnath Chakravarty, Head Research, Development and Quality, Welding Consumables for Ador Welding Limited. Welcome, Mr. Somnath, to this podcast. Now, sir, if I had to introduce you or you had to introduce yourself, how would you like to go about introducing yourself?
Hi, Romel. Yes, I am the person tasked with recognizing the importance of building the right knowledge-based products for organizational overall success.
So, a successful R&D leader manages the balance between reality and expectations effectively. So, what, according to you, have been your and your team's biggest achievements in the last couple of years?
You see, our R&D team excels in meeting customized requirements through innovative technology. We surpassed AWS standards for many of our low alloy steel electrodes. Our recent 6G pipe welding project achieved exceptional results, delivering full penetration and radiographic quality weld down to minus 50 degrees Celsius toughness using AC polarity. We have widely expanded our hard-facing consumable range. We aim to further strengthen the confidence of our sales team and customers.
Can you shed some light on your team and how that has changed over the years?
Our R&D team has evolved by shifting our offering the standard directions to customized solutions. This customer-centric approach ensures improved performance, durability, and specialized characteristics in our products.
And what happens when things don't work? How do you and your team handle pressure?
Oh, nice. When things don't work, we embrace the challenge. We analyze the failures, try to identify the root cause, and iterate our approach. The team thrives under pressure by maintaining open communications, practicing a culture of learning from setbacks, and leveraging our collective expertise to find innovative solutions.
Organizational culture comprises of three parts: mindset, behavior, and skill. So, based on your exposure in other companies, how would you rate the culture at Ador?
True, based on my exposure in other companies, Romel, I can comfortably say that the work culture at Ador is aligned with a positive organizational mindset. This exhibits behaviors that promote collaboration, innovation, and continuous learning. The company values skill development and fosters an environment that encourages employees to grow and excel in their role.
So, in your opinion, Mr. Somnath, which is a better approach? Working quickly to develop a good solution or taking more time to craft an excellent solution?
Generally, it is better to take more time to craft an excellent solution. This approach ensures superior performance, durability, and customer satisfaction, establishing a reputation of quality. But maintaining a balance between the speed and excellence is crucial.
A very important question for you that will be relevant to all managers. How do you keep your team motivated?
To keep the entire team motivated, we foster a culture of innovation, provide a supportive environment, recognize and celebrate their achievements, offer professional growth opportunities, encourage open communications, provide them challenging projects, and ensure a healthy work-life balance. That is the way how I keep my team motivated.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Somnath. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'm sure our listeners will enjoy this and learn from your experience. This will further help us in creating the best welding experience.
Thank you, Romel.